Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this trapezoid ABCD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this side AD length equal to this side CD length and this side BC length as well. And all of these side lengths are being represented by X. And moreover, this base AB length is being represented by 2x minus 3. And the base AB is parallel to this base CD. And furthermore, the perimeter of this trapezoid has been given to us as 62 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Since we know the perimeter of this trapezoid is 62, and we know the perimeter of the trapezoid is simply sum of all these four side length of this trapezoid ABCD. So therefore, I'm going to write down all these sides x plus x plus x and then plus this side length 2x minus 3 is going to be equal to 62. And now we are going to combine the like terms. So we are going to have 5x minus 3 equals to 62. And now I'm going to add 3 on both sides. So therefore we can see negative 3 and positive 3 is gone. So 5x turns out to be equal to 65. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be equal to 13 units. So therefore this side length is going to be 13, 13 and 13 for each of these x values. And for this base 2x minus 3 is going to be 2 times 13 is going to be 26 minus 3 is going to give us 23 units. And now let's focus once again on this trapezoid ABCD. We can see this is an isosceles trapezoid, since this side AD length equal to this side BC length. So therefore if we dropped these perpendiculars DE and CF on this base AB, then we can see that this segment AE length is going to be equal to this segment BF length. So therefore these two segments are equal in length. And likewise this segment EF length is going to be equal to this CD length, which is 13. So therefore this side is going to be 13. And if I label this side length as lowercase a, then this side length is going to be lowercase a as well. Then our sum of these segments a plus 13 plus a has got to be equal to 23. So therefore we can write a plus 13 equals to 23. So we ended up with the 2a plus 13 equals to 23. Now we are going to subtract 13 from both sides. So therefore 2 times a equals to 10. And now we are going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate a. So therefore a value turns out to be equal to 5. So therefore this value a value turns out to be 5, and likewise this value is 5 as well. And now since we are interested in calculating the area of the trapezoid, and now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to height h times the sum of the bases a and b all over 2. And here we can see our base A is 13, our base B is 23, and I'm going to label this height DE as lowercase h. And now our task is to find the value of height h before we could calculate the area of this trapezoid. So therefore we are going to focus on this right triangle AED. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle to find the value of height h. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And here's our hypotenuse is 13, whereas our two other legs are 5 and height h. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got h square plus 5 square equal to 13 square. Let's simplify. We're going to get h square plus 25 equal to 169. We are going to subtract 25 from both sides. This is gone. So therefore h square value turns out to be 144. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore our height h value simply turns out to be 12 units. So thus our height h value simply turns out to be 12 units. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. And now let's recall the trapezoid formula once again. Area equals to height h times a plus b all over 2. And here our base A value is 13, our base B value is 23, and our H value is 12. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So we got H height is 12 times A value is 13 plus B value is 23 all over 2. And now we can see inside this parentheses 13 and 23 is going to give us 36. And at the very same time 12 divided by 2 is going to give us 6. So therefore we ended up with 6 times 36. And if we multiply, that is going to give us 216 square units, the area of this trapezoid ABCD. So thus the area of this trapezoid ABCD turns out to be 216 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.